Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve one of the algebra question for CSR NET. Here in this question they have given A as a 4 cross 4 matrix and the eigenvalues of this matrix is nothing but -1, 1, 1 and -2, and they have defined B as a raised to 4 minus 5a square plus 5 times identity matrix. Then they are asking about the trace of A and A plus B. So we know that what is a trace? Trace means what? This is nothing but sum of the eigenvalues, and we know that a raised to n has a eigenvalue lambda raised to n, where lambda is an eigenvalue. Now if you observe, for a we have eigenvalues -1, 1, 1 and -2. So for a raised to 4 the eigenvalue will become -1 raised to 4 which is 1, 1 raised to 4 which is 1, 1 raised to 4 which is 1 and -2 raised to 4 which is 16. Now for a square the eigenvalues is 1, 1, 1 and 4. Now -5, if you multiply with -5, so this becomes -5, -5, -5 and -20. Now 5 times identity, that means what? It has an eigenvalue 5, 5, 5, 5. So if you add all these eigenvalues, so the eigenvalues becomes 1, 1, 1 and 16 plus 5, 21, 21 minus this 1. So B has a eigenvalue 1, 1, 1 and 1. So now they are asking about the trace of A plus B. So we have to add the eigenvalues of A and eigenvalues of B. So eigenvalues of A is nothing but -1, 1, 1 and -2. So if you add the eigenvalues of B and A together, so here we are getting 0, 2, 2 and -1, which is nothing but 3. So that's why the C option will be correct and other one will be false.